What's up, guys? Today, just popping in real quick. Many are trying to restore their shoes. You may have got mud and all types of things on them, and one of the hardest things to clean are your laces. So I'm going to take less than 5 minutes to show you all how to do so. So let's get into the video.
Enter the paranormal.
Alright guys, so the first thing we want to do is run some cold water and start rinsing these laces. We know that cold water is the best way to get any stain out. It pulls it out as opposed to hot water pushes the stain in. Alright, so step 2, we're going to do the pre-wash and massage using Blue Dawn soap, which also helps to get rid of as much of the dirt as possible. Step 3, we're going to rinse out the soap and just kind of agitate and keep working on the problem areas that we have on the laces. Step 4, we're going to do another rinse. Put the laces into a jar with some bleach as well as blue laundry detergent. Step 5, while they're in the jar, we're going to just go in and massage them so that way this mixture can really set into the laces. Step 6, add more bleach and just let the laces sit for a whole hour. After an hour, we remove the laces, massage them, and thoroughly rinse everything out of them. Next up, you have to dry the laces and hang them for 5 hours. The one who falls and gets up is stronger than the one who never tried. It's been your boy gavofpairanormal. I want to thank you all so much for your continued support. I'll see you all next time. Peace.